In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure to log in into BeReal. So to log in into your BeReal, you need to use the phone number associated with your account to receive a verification code. Now, usually what happens is that when you have logged out of your BeReal account, so you have to go through a similar process like registering. So there is nothing like you can go ahead and enter in the password that has already been set or enter in the verification code that has already been sent. So you just need is install the app and then open the BeReal, and you'll be asked to type in the phone number that you have registered, or you could just type in the new one, and then you will be prompted to enter in the 6-digit code that's going to be sent through an SMS. Once you're done entering that, you can then log into your account and you will be able to access your account. However, for the ones or for those users who have not created an account, you might have to create a username, and you might also be asked to add in a friend or post in first of your BeReal. So this is how you could log into your BeReal account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.